Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama of French Girls. So guys, today we are gonna be in the kitchen. Yes, today is a Wednesday afternoon, and on Wednesdays my kids do not have school, as you all know. No school for small children like them. So I usually do a fast meal for them.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
Because forever hungry, and when they're at home they are forever hungry. So I'm gonna be preparing a fast meal for them. This is a macaroni and cheese, and since one box is not enough for the three of us, but I will be eating from it too. One box is not enough for the three of us, so I actually added a bit in this little bowl. So to prepare this meal, you're gonna be using the macaroni and cheese. The cheese is inside. I'm gonna be showing you guys with a tin of milk, carnation, evaporated milk, and I'm gonna be doing it with fried sausage for them. The only ingredients that I don't have right now to do this food, to prepare this meal, is butter. You need a little bit of butter, but you can do without if you don't have. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and do it without. So let's get started. So I have already put the hot dog to defrost in some water, chicken frank sausage in water, and yeah. So this is the pot that I had already kept on the fire. I'll just go ahead and add some salt, and this is the oil to fry the sausages. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the stove, and I added just a little bit of salt, just right, because the cheese actually has salt inside. So guys, I have already put the oil on the fire, so I'll just go ahead and open the sausage. Actually, my second daughter does not like sausage, so I'm gonna be putting just 5 sausages and keep the rest in the freezer. So while we wait for the oil to heat up a bit, I'm gonna be opening the box of macaroni and cheese, just to take the cheese out from the box. Yeah. This is the cheese. I'm going to be taking a bowl. And I'm going to be pouring. There is nothing to leave. I'm gonna pour in all the cheese. It's a very easy, quick and easy meal. So the oil is actually hot, so I'm gonna put in the sausages right now. While it's frying, I'm gonna be doing the cheese and the milk. So I poured in the cheese. I've opened the milk, and since I had a little bit left in this one, I'm gonna be pouring it as well. And we mix it. We mix it together, as you can see. And we set it aside for now. So then I'm gonna be pouring the macaroni inside the pot. The water starts boiling, so I'm gonna be pouring the macaroni inside. Stir it a bit and allow it to cook for 5 minutes, not too long. The sausage is almost ready, as you can see. We are gonna be removing the sausages right now. It is ready. Turn off this gas. Back the stove. So guys, since there is no butter at hand right now, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil right there, a little. You can actually get this macaroni in any store. Me, I got it in St. Lucia from my country where I went on vacation. I think one box is $5, $5 yeah. But my daughter loves it so much. So yeah. So guys, 3 to 5 minutes is actually over, and I'm gonna strain in the macaroni right now. Remove the water. Now that I've poured the macaroni back, I will just go ahead and pour the cheese and the and the milk. If it doesn't have enough milk, just go ahead and add a little bit more of the milk in the pot. I'm gonna stir it.
Ça qui n'est devant moi. Venez-moi, ça qui a l'entour moi. Venez-moi, venez-moi. Baby, vaut mieux nous prendre mollo. On peut quand même présenter au polo. On peut quand même présenter au polo. Où j'avais moins, bah mon solo. Où j'avais moins, bah mon solo. À chaque fois qu'il y a.
Like, yeah, this is my oldest daughter's own and my smallest daughter's own. So yeah, it's very yummy. It's creamy because of the milk. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have watched till this moment, you are real MVP. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all guys in my next video. For now, bye.